Hello and welcome back to the channel. I got a request recently from Philip Michael, who asked me if I could do the Donnybrook Fair, which he wants to put in with the lilting banshee and Out in the Ocean. So today we're going to have a look at the jig, just going to break it down to a nice simple version of it, and then I'll do another video with more advanced techniques. And this is a great tune for advanced techniques because there's loads of stuff you can do with it. Loads of rolls, loads of trebles, triplets. There's really quite a lot in the tune to get into. So let's crack on with the tune. I'll play it for you now. We'll break it down phrase by phrase and learn it, and I'll play it for you nice and slow at the end. Here we go, Donnybrook Fair. Okay, let's break it down phrase by phrase. Brook Fair. Okay, the first phrase of Donnybrook Fair. So G, F, G, A, G, A. B, E, E, D, B, A. Third phrase. B, A, B, G, A, B. Fourth phrase. A, G, E, E. Let's have those all together. Play it together now after 4, 3, 4. Then the next 3 phrases are all going to repeat. Here's where it changes. A, G, F sharp, G. So that's the whole of the B, nice and quick. Let's play it together after 4, 3, 4. Into the B part, phrase 1. So we're just going down G, F, E, F, E, D. Next phrase. This is similar to Out in the Ocean. You've got E, G, E, D, B, A. Then it kind of borrows from the A part here. B, E, E, D, B, A. We already had that in the A part. But then it repeats, leaving us on a high E. Those phrases 3 and 4. Okay, whole of the first line, we'll play it together. 3, 4. Next few phrases are the same. And then we actually do the end part. So this is phrase 7 and 8 from the B part. You You recognise that? We already have it. Okay, let's play up to there. 3, 4. Now, first 4 phrases are all the same. And here it changes. Okay, so you've 2 phrases that are different. G, F, G, A, G, A, down the E minor chord arpeggio for E, G, E, and then D, B, A. So those 2 phrases again. And then we're back to the same ending we know. Let's play the whole of the B together after 4. 3, 4. Very good. Okay, good stuff. So now you've learned the jig, I'm just going to play it for you nice and slow. Don't forget, I'll be doing another video after this, which will be the advanced techniques video. So check that out at the end. Okay, here we are, Donnybrook Fair, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good stuff. Thanks very much. See you in the next video.